Welcome to ProHands Home Improvement, your go-to source for all things remodeling in Los Angeles. Today, we're diving into the cost of bathroom remodels in 2026. With rising demands for luxury and functionality, understanding the financial landscape is crucial. On average, remodeling a bathroom in LA costs around $15,000, marking a 10% increase since 2024. Several factors contribute to the cost of your bathroom remodel. Material quality, the type you choose, and labor rates in LA are key components. The size and complexity of your project, along with necessary permits and inspections, can also influence the final price. Here's a breakdown of typical pricing tiers for bathroom remodels. A basic remodel ranges from $7,500 to $10,000. Mid-range projects cost between $15,000 and $25,000, while premium remodels start at $30,000 and above. Most homeowners find their budget sits around $20,000. To ensure a smooth remodeling process, consider these pro tips. Obtain at least 3 written quotes, verify your contractor's license and insurance, ask for references, and plan for a 10 to 15% contingency to cover unexpected costs. Ready to transform your bathroom? Contact us for a free estimate. Visit ProHandsHandyman.com to learn why we're LA's trusted remodeling partner. We offer licensed and insured services, have been local since 2010, and guarantee transparent pricing with customers.